That's a little better yellow perch. Still don't think he's really worth keeping, but I'm glad to see they're so healthy. I mean, look at the belly on him. I'm pretty sure you're legal, bud, but I'm gonna let you grow a little bit. I'll let you grow. Thank you. Therefore, end of the day, I finally catch a crappie. Yes, you're coming home. And you swallowed it? Yeah, you're coming home. Fish on, feels like a bass. Nice with the yellow perch, but I'm pretty sure it's a bass. Big old yellow perch, I'd take that in a heartbeat. Come on, I know you're there, bass. Get your butt up here. There you are. Yeah, I think I'm into a school of them. I'll take it. Thanks, little buddy. Put that camera out. There we go. Thank you. Some sort. Probably another bass. Yep, looks that way. Well, my target species was sure fun. Healthy. There we go. A good bass. Yep. Yep. He's messing me all up. God, these bass fight hard. Largemouth and spots in this lake fight like frickin' smallmouth, man. They fight hard. Come on, come here. There she is. Healthy fish. Good God, healthy. Got it off. And there she is. I'm going to do that jaw test again. If the jaw goes behind the eye, it should be a largemouth. If it doesn't, yeah, it looks like a large. Well, at least he has large in him, put it that way. He's not pure spot. I'll tell you that. Yeah, get your breath. There you go. Thanks, buddy. Go ahead. Go on. There you go. I mean, tell you, these fish are healthy. Strong as I don't know what, man. Very good fighters. Hardest fighting largemouth I ever caught. I think. I can't think of any harder ones. That's for certain. Come here, you. Come here, you. Gotcha. Are these all spots? No, you're large. The last one was a pretty for certain spot, but this is a large. You might be across. Thank you. So long. Another bass. I'm looking for the crappie, but these bass, man, they're all over it. That's a hell of a lot better than catching nothing, though. I know that. I'm grateful for that. And for you. Thank you. Good night. Pulling good. Pulling real good. It's hard fighting bass. Some of the hardest fighting largemouth I ever caught, honestly. These are not lazy fish. There she is. Come here, you. There you are. There we go. Carefully put that away. Pretty little bass. Thank you. Might be a spot. Yeah, it's a spotted bass. No kidding. Cool. No idea what it is yet. Definitely feels good though. Oh no. Oh no. Ugh. Away from that wall. Ooh, I think it's a striper. I think it's a striper. No, it's a big bass. Huh. Didn't expect that. Yeah. Nice largemouth. Get this little hook out. And there you go. Little beauty. Thank you. There you go. That's really not what I meant to do. Fish on. Feels good. Maybe not as good as the one I just snapped off, but good. That one I just snapped off just felt ridiculous. I don't know what it was. It was well upwards of probably 7 or 8 pounds though. Whatever it was I lost.